Ito ang chicken na may K. Kasi Korean chicken siya, inspired by the famous Korean fast food chicken. Gagawin natin ngayon sa Simpol.
Simpol, simpol. Luto na, ha-ha.
Sa sobra nating pagkahook sa mga K-dramas, nagkikrave na rin tayo ng mga Korean food. And isa pinaka-accessible na Korean food natin is yung ating Korean fried chicken. So yung gagawin natin today, may soy garlic glaze. Meron tayong chicken wings dito. I have around 7 pieces of chicken wings, which hinati ko, no? I separated 2 pieces ng chicken. And ginawa ko dito kasi usually pag kumakain tayo ng Korean chicken, may lasa yung labas. Pero pagdating sa loob, wala. So ginawa natin dito ay we seasoned with salt already ahead of time. So yung ginamit ko dito is around 1 teaspoon of salt. But before we continue, gagawin ko ngayon is we add a little bit of pepper. Around half a teaspoon. And gagawin ko is, kakaiba naman yung gawin nating mixture. Around 1/4 cup of cornstarch. And 1/8 cup of malagkit flour. Huh? Malagkit flour? Malagkit flour. Kasi di ba pag kumakain tayo ng Korean chicken, crunchy siya pero may pagka-chewy din yung skin niya. Yan. So, gagamitan ko siya ng yun, malagkit flour. So, just add a little bit of cold water. Around 1/4 cup. So, we want to coat our chicken in the mixture. Kasi yung Korean chicken, hindi naman masyadong makapal yung butter niya. So, ito, pa-fry na natin siya very quickly. We're going to fry our chicken. I have some oil heated up. Yung oil natin, around 170 to 180 degrees Celsius siya. So, ito lang yung gagawin ko to know if it's hot enough. Kuha ko babasahin ko lang ng konting butter. And if it sizzles, yan, look at that. Straight away, oh, it fries. So, yung gagawin natin sa pag-fry ng chicken, hindi siya ihalo-halo kasi yung wing tips and yung base ng wing niya, hindi sabay-sabay naluluto. So, gagawin ko ngayon, unahin ko yung bigger part, yung base ng wing, and later on, puro naman siya wing tips. Yan, drop natin. So, what we're doing now, we are par-frying our chicken. So, we don't want it to become golden brown. We just want to cook it through. That's why our temperature is much lower. We're just parang paunang luto lang, no? So, we cook that for around 5 minutes. And after, itatabi natin siya. So, we let it drip on our paper towel. And now, we're gonna fry the wing tips sabay-sabay naman. No? Kasi they cook at different times. Yan. And we drop our wing tips. Yan. Ang key talaga is really to make sure that you fry your chicken ahead of time. So, while nagpa-par fry yung ating chicken, gagawin na natin yung glaze natin. So, what do we do? Yung gamit ko dito, hindi ako gumagamit ng yung chopped or minced garlic. Yung gamit ko dito ay garlic powder. Kasi yung base sa fast food nila na recipe, hindi mo naman nakikita yung garlic, no? So, pwede ka naman gumamit ng fresh garlic if you want. But in this case, I am using garlic powder. So, ano yung gagawin natin? Sobrang simple lang niya. We just add some water to a pan. No? That's just water. And I add my sugar. So, that's 4 tablespoons of water and 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Yan. And I will also allow that to simmer hanggang maging syrupy yung texture niya. No? Yan. Let that simmer for a while. Now, I'm going to add a little bit of vinegar. So, yung vinegar natin is only 1 teaspoon. Kasi, di ba, yung parang, dapat complex kasi yung flavor niya. Hindi lang siya yung tamis, alat. Yung vinegar kasi, yun siya yung replacement natin sa mirin. So, if you have mirin, you use mirin. Pero what I'm using here is just a little bit of vinegar. Konting vinegar lang. Just to balance the flavor. And we cook it down, no? And we add our garlic powder. Yan, around 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. Yan. Let it dissolve. And 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. If you want nice Korean profile, you use Korean soy sauce. But in this case, I'm just using local soy sauce. Yan. Yan. Look at that. So we don't want it very dark, no? And I just thicken our glaze with a little bit of cornstarch. So around 1 teaspoon of cornstarch in a little water. Just around a few tablespoons of water. And what do we do now? We just add our cornstarch to thicken. Yan. Once it's thickened, we add a little bit of fat, no? So we can use vegetable oil, no? Or canola oil, or butter, no? Just to make it glossy and smooth. But what I will do right now is I will use butter. Bakit? Mas malasa siya. Yan. But you can just use oil if you want. So bakit may pa-oil pa na may glaze? Ito siya, it will give it a very nice sheen, no? Very, very glossy yung ating sauce later on, ating glaze. And we just let that sit. Na, kasi luto na rin itong chicken. Yan. Chicken pieces are already fried. Babaliktarin ko lang yung glaze natin. And our fried chicken, frying chicken natin. Yan. Now, we fry our chicken at a higher temperature. High temperature na tayo ngayon, ha? Hindi na tayo medium. What we do is just a flash frying. Tinatawag ng flash fry kasi sobrang bilis na ng fry just to make it golden brown kasi luto na yung ating chicken. And to crisp it up, then we put our glaze, then we're ready to plate. But before that, while I'm waiting for my oil to reach a high temperature, around 190 to 200 degrees, let's make the dip. Ano yung dip natin? Meron tayong mayo, a little bit of mayo. This is around 4 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. Yan, put it together. Yan. Mix, mix, mix. I just season with salt, just a pinch of salt, and a little bit of sugar. So, our dip is ready. No? Spicy sriracha mayo. Ready to fry? Are you ready for our Korean chicken, guys? We cook by batches. Again, we start off with the base of our chicken wing. Yan, di ba? It's hot, it sizzles right away. Super crispy. Yan. And just cook it until golden brown. Yan. And we put aside. Hindi siya magiging super like really golden around because cornstarch does not cook that way. Kung flour yung ginamit natin, magiging parang yung fried chicken ng regular fried chicken na breaded. But here, what we're after here is the crunch. So, as long as it's brown, that's already cooked and that's already crisp. And we continue our other set of wings, our chicken wing tips. Yan. And our wings are done as well. Our wing tips are done as well. Yan. And put aside natin. And we just heat up our glaze. Turn our oil off. And what we do, we just toss it in our glaze. Yan. And look at that, guys. Our chicken is already glazed. Pero guys, kailangan ko talaga tikman to. Actually, can you hear the crunch? Kuhang-kuha. Oh my God. So, akong impressed sa recipe na to. Try this version of a fast food favorite, ang ating Korean soy garlic chicken, Simpol! Nagustuhan niyo ba ang video na to? Please share para lalong dumami ang ating mga kasimpol. And don't forget to subscribe to our Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram accounts.